managed to solve interesting geometrical problems using logical thinking as you go. Before we can look at the theorems, there is some key terminology that we need to master first. How many parts of the circle can you label? Pause the video and have a think. How did you get on? I find it quite tricky to remember the difference between a sector and a segment. But just think of it as a sector or slice of pizza, and then a segment of orange. Orange segments aren't pizza shapes. Which definitions match up with which parts of the circle? Pause the video and get matching. How did you get on? So that's the key terminology that we need to know for circle theorems. The terminology is really important because we have to use those key words when describing the theorems.